Hi, I'm Jacqueline Sequeira, FDOT Construction Project Manager for the I-395, State Road 836, and I-95 Design Build project. The limits on State Road 836 are from Northwest 17th Avenue to I-95. Limits on I-95 extend from Northwest 29th Street to Northwest 8th Street, and I-395 from the interchange to the MacArthur Causeway. Work began in 2019 and is scheduled to be completed in the summer of 2026. The project cost is $840 million. Work on State Road 836 includes double-decking the roadway from Northwest 17th Avenue to I-95. An additional lane on the ramp to northbound I-95 has been opened to drivers. I-95 includes concrete pavement replacement from Northwest 29th Street to Northwest 8th Street. I-395 will be completely reconstructed and includes a signature bridge with over 30 acres of community spaces. Ongoing activities on State Road 836 include construction of foundations, piers, and installation of beams for the double-decked roadway. The pavement replacement between Northwest 29th Street and Northwest 17th Street has already been completed, and work continues on the south section. The Signature Bridge Center Support Pier and 4 of the 6 arches are currently under construction, as well as the bridges linking the Signature Bridge to I-95 and State Road 836.